Hi friends, in Windows 10 I will show you how to disable the web camera. First you go to the start and then click settings option here. In the settings find the setting option, you need to type here privacy setting. Here the privacy settings option is there. Click this privacy setting option. Then it will open like this. In the left hand side there is option is called camera. Click this camera option here. In this allow apps to access your camera option is there. You will click this off, and in the camera access for this device is on is there. Click this change option and click this, it will off. That's it. All the desktop apps to access your camera has been disabled. Okay, thank you.